Ah, that's a cat video from my aunt. I'll watch that later. Hey, what do you do in these troubled times to stay in communication? You use Wi-Fi. I'm gonna show you how. Hey everybody, Kevin here for another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Welcome. So you might have just noticed the box that I was holding in my hand. Now that is the TaoTronics dual mesh Wi-Fi system. What do I mean by dual mesh? Well, TaoTronics has devised a Wi-Fi system that is expandable. No matter what size your house, whether you have 1 story, 2 stories, possibly even 3 stories. Who do I know that lives in a 3-story house? Oh, right. Nobody. But if you're like me and you live with roommates and everybody has a lot of different devices and you have a big enough place where you have weak spots, you have dead spots, you have problems with your Wi-Fi, a mesh system is going to be great to help you maintain strong signal strength through the entirety of your property. All right, so I'm going to give you guys a little bit of internet jargon here. Your modem is what brings the signal into your residence, your business, your office, wherever you happen to be. It is your router that is able to send that signal wirelessly through the air, almost like magic, but using technology, so you can power many devices using Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi? Well, I'll tell you. It stands for wireless fidelity, and you're going to want to have the strongest wireless fidelity you can possibly have. And as I mentioned, what's neat about the TaoTronics system is that when you buy the basic system in that box that I showed you, you're going to get 2 routers. You're going to be able to boost your signal in your space, not just in one location, but you have an extra router to place into another location if there's a weak spot or a dead spot. On top of that, if you have a bigger space where you really need to have a good amount of bandwidth, TaoTronics allows you to buy a 3-router bundle package. These are the routers. Let's get into some specs, shall we? Hey guys. So as you can see, all we had to do was take the router out of the box, plug it into a power source, and plug it in to our modem via the Ethernet cable that is already included in. I downloaded the app to my phone, and we were able to get the network set up in, I'd say, just about 5 minutes. What's really neat is that both the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz network came up immediately. We named them KTF house because this is the Knowledge Tree Films house. But you can call your network whatever you like. Point is, and I have done some screen captures of my phone, we've been having a lot of problems here with the internet on and off, with the Wi-Fi more specifically, I should say. And I am very happy to see full bars on my phone. Like I said, there's a screen capture, so you can check that out. But worked very quickly, very easily. You know it's working when your router shows solid green. The instructions are easy to follow if you have a basic sense of how this technology works. And if you don't, for whatever reason, it's also super easy to look it up on YouTube or go to TaoTech's customer support. They're here to help you. So you have a few different options. And again, it took about 5 minutes to get everything going once we connected and plugged everything in, and hey, we're good to go. All right, so the AC3000 tri-band Wi-Fi router system is going to give you a strong 2.4 wireless signal and a 5.0 wireless signal. There are times where you're going to be able to access a 5.8 extra ramped up speed on your devices if there's enough bandwidth for you to do so. TaoTronics has designed each router to be able to connect to 200 devices. Now that's a tall order, but hey, technology is increasing very rapidly these days, exponentially, you might say. So that's the kind of benchmark those of us in places like Los Angeles, hey, I'm here in Los Angeles, by the way, we're starting to expect and think of as being normal. So once again, this is what's really neat about the whole mesh home system. Basic package includes 2 routers that you can place in different locations to get that strong spotless, no dead zone, no weak zone bandwidth. And that's awesome. 2 routers will cover 5,000 square feet. Now that's about double the size of your average house. If you happen to be living in a situation, again, office, workplace, where you have a lot of roommates, that can be fun for its own reasons, you get the 3 router package and you're good to go for over 6,000 square feet. Great, solid, total performance signal strength. Welcome to the 21st century. Routers also come with an Ethernet port, so if you have gaming devices or streaming devices like an Xbox or a PlayStation or an Apple TV or a smart TV for that matter, you can connect directly and you're gonna get 4K download speed. It's that fast. Let me do that one more time. Oh yeah, that's fast. And of course, no technological experience would be complete at this point in time without having an app that you can download to your phone and customize so you can actually check signal strength, troubleshoot, reset if needed, and a nice little added bonus. If you have friends come over and you don't want them interfering with your main system, well, you can create a guest network and a password just for them. And what about price? Well, obviously you're here watching Good Tech Cheap. The 2 router home mesh system is yours for $229. But wait, there's more. If you add the code MESH25, you'll get a 25% discount on that order. There is a link in the description below. Click on that and you will be taken to Amazon where you can purchase either the 2 router system or the 3 router system. So I think that just about wraps it up for today. I would like to thank TaoTech for sending us the home mesh router Wi-Fi system so we could check it out and show you guys how it works. If you enjoyed this video, and if you're able to give it a like no matter where you're watching it, please do that. If you're able to subscribe, please do. We love it when you do that, and don't forget to turn on that notification button so you know when we drop a new Good Tech Cheap video. For now, I will say stay safe, be kind, take care of each other, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.